We have identified a space in the TRL 3 to 4 range, if you like, the front end of the Valley of Death, in which there are limited and diminishing funding mechanisms to support early translational work between academia and catapults. Recommendation 2 is about filling such a gap by enabling access to funding that will allow catapults and universities to work in true partnership in order to accelerate translational research. We are supporting this because easier access to funding in this space would enable the best academic research to be developed, de-risked, and ultimately industrialized. It would also help to generate more intellectual property before the handover to industry. Crucially, it would provide commercialization opportunities for more risky research, for which typically early industry engagement is difficult to secure. We hope to be able to have a constructive discussion with you on the 25th of March, and I'll see you there.